Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disconnecting Facebook from Instagram. If you want to separate the two accounts or no longer wish to have them linked, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with a white F inside and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Facebook, locate the 3 stacked lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu with various options. Step 3. From the options presented, tap on Settings and Privacy. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy section, look for Accounts Center and tap on it. This will take you to the Accounts Management page. Step 5. Within the Accounts Center, tap on Accounts. This section allows you to manage your connected accounts. Step 6. Now, find your Facebook account listed among the connected accounts. Once you've located it, tap on Remove to disconnect it from Instagram. Please note that if your Facebook and Instagram accounts share the same password, you'll need to change both of them to ensure complete disconnection. By following these steps, you can easily disconnect Facebook from Instagram, giving you more control over your accounts and online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.